In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Namecheap domain to WordPress. Now, before I get into it, I just want to say, if you want to get yourself some cheap hosting or a cheap domain name, then use the link in the description and you'll be able to get some huge discounts, and it also helps out the channel. So let's get right into the video. So first thing we need to do, obviously, is purchase our domain name and do this inside of Namecheap for this. And then from here, it should pop up in our dashboard and look something like this. Now, this is my domain that I want to add to WordPress here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to copy it. And this is the one that I'm going to add. So now I need to go over to my WordPress account. And from here, we want to go, we'll probably be looking like somewhere like this. What we want to do is we want to go over here where it says upgrades. And we want to go over to where it says domains. Then from there at the top right, there should be something that says add a domain. You want to click use a domain I own, and then in here we're going to go ahead and paste the URL or our domain that we've just purchased. We're going to click continue here, and it might take a second to load. And it's going to ask you here for two options. You can either connect your domain or you can transfer it. Now, I'm going to keep it hosted on Namecheap, and I'm just going to connect the domain. So I'm going to click the select for this option here. Now, if you haven't already purchased a type of plan for WordPress, then you're going to have to pay extra for it. But there is a little workaround for this. So within some of the Namecheap hosting plans, you actually get a WordPress site completely for free. So what we can do is we can utilize this, and if we go to easywp.com, it will come up with a thing like this, and it will tell you to log in with your Namecheap account. And once you've logged in, you're essentially going to be able to create a free WordPress site, which will allow you to connect your domain up here. So I click new website, and I'm just going to skip all of this bits. And now when it comes into the selected domain option, you can use this one here. It says your domain on Namecheap, and then you can pick the domain that you've got in Namecheap and use that as the domain for the WordPress. And then from there, what you can do is you can either start a new site or port over your old site onto that WordPress. And that's basically how you go about doing it. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also comment down below the video helped you out. Thank you for watching.